Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make macaroni the Haitian way. First thing, I boiled some water, add some salt and some seasoning. I have some scotch pepper in there and also some green onions, like the big ones. Okay, so now, and on the side I have some shrimp. I'm making it with shrimp. And I like to have a lot of shrimp in when I'm making macaroni. I like to taste the shrimp. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the macaroni. This is the size that I'm gonna be using. The fan is making a lot of noise. And I'm also pregnant, so I don't know if you guys can see the belly. I'm ready to pop. Alright. So we're just gonna add the macaroni here. I'm supposed to be on bed rest, so. But I'm cooking. I'm still cooking. I enjoy cooking, so. But I'm sitting on a stool, so. Okay, and I'm gonna also add some thyme and let it boil. And once it's boiled, then we're gonna fry the shrimp, and then we can mix the pasta, the macaroni together. It's gonna be really, really, really good. You can make this with spaghetti also. Then we're gonna add some butter, a little bit of mayo, and also some tomatoes. Alright, now I have some oil in the pan, and we're gonna add the shrimp. And what I did, I put the shrimp in the seasoned the water that I boiled the macaroni. After you add some tomato paste, you're gonna have it's gonna have a nice color like this, and you're gonna let it steam for, and voila.